Hi guys, so I'm really happy to meet you again. Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about dogs. There are many types of dogs. Some are big, some are small, some are super fluffy dogs, some are super playful dogs. The type of dog I'm going to talk for today is Poodle. This is a poodle. I drew this poodle. Her name is Rosie. This is my toy poodle named Sugar. Poodles are the second most intelligent dog breed. Poodles are gentle, friendly, and active. Poodles come in different colors: grey, white, black, apricot. Apricot poodles are very popular in Japan. You can style your poodle in any way you want. You can also dye their hair, like my Sugar poodle has right here. You can also put accessories like bows, and you can decorate some more accessories if you want. You can give a haircut on them in many ways. This way, or many more. Do you know you can shave their fur to give a pom-pom effect, like this, like this, like this, like this. Do you know poodles are one of the most fabulous coats in the canine family? So why do we need to do haircuts? Why do we need to style them? Why do we need to put accessories on them? This is because they go on a beauty contest. There they need to show their activities, sports, coats, and much more. I'm going to talk about their size now. The size, there are three types of poodle breeds: toy, mini, and standard. So which one do you want? I want mini. Please tell in the comment section below which one do you want. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Bye.